Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add a clickable checkbox in a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro. So let's get started. So go to the top left side of your screen and you will see the menu option. Click on this, then select open from the drop down menu and select your PDF to open it. Then at the left hand side, you will see the All Tools menu. From the drop down menu, select Prepare a Form. Now you can see the Create Form button at the center of your screen. Click on this and you will land to this kind of interface as you can see here. Now from the left hand side panel, you will see the checkbox option. Click on that and then you will see a boxes appear. Now add your checkbox as much as you want and then once you're done with checkbox, can see at the bottom left corner the preview option. Click on this for checking and unchecking the boxes to make sure it's work properly or not. As you can see, our boxes are working properly. When you are done, click on the exit preview button at the top right side and then save your updated PDF. And that's it. You have added a clickable checkbox to your PDF in just a few steps. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.